Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Niagara Communities. We are in Niagara, and we are actually on Pleasant Avenue near Thomas, and the Hag Bowl Arena is right behind me, right here. And on this side is, or was, General Motors. And it is in the demolishing stage, and has been for quite a while now. Bayshore is the company that's taken over doing the work to destroy this 53-acre property. And you know, the General Motors building is actually made up 1.2 million square feet of factory. Before GM, actually, the year 1900 was when McKinnon and Mitchell, I believe, was a wagon company, and they made hardware for wagons. They also, from what I read, made saddlery, and they actually started on the other side, the 12 Mile Creek, on the banks of 12 Mile Creek, and that's how the kind of manufacturing in this area started. Behind me is a excavator. You can see that getting a little bit loud. But one neat thing we're gonna do, I've got my buddy and friend of the show, Elliott Speck, is gonna help us with some aerial shots of what this is looking like right now. And it is just, it's surreal. We're gonna fasten our seatbelts, as always, and have a look. So there's Elliott, my buddy. I caught him right before school today. So we're at the second location. We're on the river side, the 12 Mile Creek side, and you can see the electrical plant here that was, I'm pretty sure, was used just for General Motors. I mean, they had their own electricity. Anyway, we're gonna get a second drone shot because I think 12 Mile Creek and everything is gonna be pretty cool looking. So hold tight. It's kind of up in the air. I'm sure there'll be some sort of housing development, some commercial properties as well along the Ontario Street corridor, but really it's unknown as to what is actually going to be put on this acreage. General Motors bought the plant in 1929, so at the time, you know, and I guess in the heyday of General Motors, it was General Motors had close to 10,000 employees, and you know, when you add up even just the car manufacturer, you've got TRW, you've got the Nest, and of course the other General Motors plant on Glendale near the Welland Canal, that just totals about 3,000 employees. So it's pretty amazing how a city has changed and how it's dramatically changed the workforce here in the Niagara region. We'll see what happens.
Wake up, kids, we've got the dreamer's disease.